let's see if it's still bubbly.
Oh, jeez! Champagne right in my eye! What's up, Champagne gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my sister Mo, and we got these really cute matching sweaters. Mine's cropped. Molly's is like
I like the oversized. I like the oversized look.
If you guys can't tell, my sister produced this episode today. She loves champs, so today we're gonna be testing a bunch of champagne gadgets.
Cause why not?
All right, let's pop off.
First gadget is a saber. Oh my gosh! It is like,
gosh, that looks dangerous.
okay, you have yours from Williams-Sonoma, but how fun is this for a party trick? Okay.
Molly's so excited.
It's a little sharper than the Williams-Sonoma one. I am so excited for this. I want to try this out first.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
I matey.
If we ever lived on a boat, I could see you walking around like this.
I'd walk around like that.
I could see you just.
I'm curious to see if this bad boy works as well as your Williams-Sonoma one.
You want me to go get her?
No.
Oh, okay. To do this, you guys, you've got to ice your bubbly. You do it upside down. You need the top to be really cold.
So you want to take off the foil and the caging, but
I
usually
am
don't just
terrible
pop
at
open.
this.
Well, don't worry
Oh, I'm
because
getting
we have
anxiety. I'm getting anxiety.
we have different openers, so maybe you'll find one really easy.
I mean, just ask Captain Sparkles what happened.
Just open it wide. Yeah. Brava.
Molly's an expert. Okay, you guys.
I taught somebody how to saber the other weekend.
Molly swam,
You get
side
to see
note, with white sharks.
great white sharks is what she means.
What'd I say?
White sharks. Okay, so you get that.
Find the seam. Take it away, Molly.
Are you ready? So
Yeah.
45. 1, 2. Oh, nuts!
Molly, more gusto maybe, like follow through.
Oh.
And make a pirate sound, like aye aye.
Arr!
Okay, let's try it. 1, 2.
Oh!
Molly, I know how to party.
Pour some of that in here. These are another one of our gadgets that we'll visit later. So
Okay.
these you put in the freezer. They're supposed to keep your champagne warm for hours.
Warm for hours? You mean cold for hours?
Cold for hours. So now that we have a little champagne in here, I'm gonna put them over here and we'll come back to them to see if they're still cold.
I'm gonna give this saber a thumbs up. It worked for me. Do you wanna try it again? Or we don't have another one that's cold?
I'll pop another bottle in that ice bucket.
Pirate Molly is gonna happen.
We'll come back to that.
Next champagne gadget that we're gonna try is a
Shambong.
shambong instead of a beer bong, which we wouldn't know anything about in college.
No.
No.
Pour your glass of champagne and then you drink it like this, like quickly.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, I'm definitely gonna keep my thumb here, Molly, because I think this is just gonna shoot out.
Okay, you ready to try this?
Cheers, chin chin.
Ooh. Okay, that comes at you fast.
Woo! Whoa. Oh, I hate that. I like to sip my bubbles slowly.
I don't
Is
think-
the back of your nose like tingling?
Right here.
Here's the
You
thing.
should be off your chin.
Molly, do you feel like this is older and wiser? Do you think that this is the best thing you've ever tried?
One, it was hard to pour. Oh my God, did I not even finish it? Or is that yours?
I don't know. Who knows?
I don't know. Okay, one of the biggest problems with champagne is people being afraid to pop off the caps. So we're gonna try out a couple different openers to see what can help pop the bottle off the easiest. And this one I've seen before and love. This is a champagne opener by Rabbit, and it's a twist and pop. So you're supposed to just put it over the cork and twist it, and it's supposed to pop off and catch in
It
the
catches
top.
it in here?
Yeah.
I love the
Yeah.
picture instructions. I'm a big fan of visuals. Okay, Molly, like the sabers for fun, and then this one's a safety
Yeah.
one. And now there's a second gadget over here, which is a king-size.
champagne glass. And it says that it holds an entire bottle of champagne, and I wanna see if that's true.
Molly looks at it and she goes, there's no way.
I don't know, I think that's small.
We'll see. Okay, Molly, let's open this sucker up. You take off the metal
take off
thing.
the cage, you put it on,
Me?
you twist it, yeah.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, this is like a heavy metal.
Yeah.
So you just put that on
And then
there.
hold the bottle with one hand, hold that with the other, and twist opposite.
Oh, are you sure it's not gonna shoot out of the sides?
Find out.
Oh.
Ta-da!
No way.
Isn't that so cool?
These are awesome, you guys.
And it catches the cork, it doesn't hit anything.
5 stars.
5 stars. Big win.
Was not expecting that.
Okay, do you guys think this bottle will fit into this glass? We'll see.
Oh, the bubbles. Okay, we're gonna have to do a slow pour here. Look at all the foam.
I know.
I'm not a champagne expert. That seems a little excessive.
Oh my God.
A king size champagne glass.
Is this everything?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, well they really pulled it close on that one.
Molly's so happy. We call this mom juice, a little carbonated grape juice. It's a gag, but we're gonna take a picture and put it on our Instagrams.
Yeah, oh my God, I should.
1, 2, 3, cheers. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Okay, so I'm obsessed with the rabbit opener and I love the giant glass.
I love the rabbit opener. Big fan. We love it. We love it. My sister has been training for this moment for years. If sipping on champs was an Olympic sport, Molly would be getting all the gold medals.
Put me in, coach.
What are we trying over here?
Okay, so we love the first opener and then we have 3 other openers.
Have you tried these before?
I've never seen or
Do your
tried them
friends
before.
have any of these?
No.
We're gonna give these 3 a try and see if they compare to the rabbit, because that thing was.
That's great. This one looks a little crazy.
This one looks real nuts. Looks like one of those claws. What are
Oh
they
my
called?
God.
And those machines where you get the stuffed animals?
The claw machine.
Yeah. Oh, nice box. This looks like a jewelry box, Molly.
It's like very good presentation.
Like-
Okay, are these little instructions?
Yeah, I think I placed.
Look, you just take it off and it shows just putting it on.
Push it down.
So it's on there firm and then slowly turn it. Okay.
Okay, that did work. I like the rabbit more.
I know.
And if you've got dogs or kids running around, I'm not trying to have somebody get blasted in the head with one of these.
This one slightly scares me. Just a
What?
slight turn and pop and out comes the cork. It looks
Okay.
like fireworks though. Turn it.
Wait, you.
Okay.
It rabbits!
I mean, this is just plastic. Like it's not as high quality.
Oh, plastic. We don't like it.
This one looks kind of like a wine opener. Like I think you
Yeah,
like
it has like a
pull it.
pump, as my dad would call it, a jobber. Ooh, metal.
Okay.
Hello.
Is that one kind of heavy?
Whoa. This looks like Molly. I was gonna say a gyno appointment.
Oh my God! It does. Get it away. Use a champagne opener to jam the mouth of the bottle. Hold the bottom and lift up the handle to open the cork.
Smooth like butter. Woo! Oh, it smokes right off my hand.
Okay, that's cool. That
That's
seems very
cool 'cause
controlled. The cork
very
doesn't go
controlled.
flying anywhere.
Okay, looks like these kind of devices have multiple uses. You have to try this. It is amazing.
We'll
Let's go
revisit.
over- Let's go.
I'm saving the extra bottle to retry that saber because I need to redeem myself here.
I feel that we have given all of these a fair shot.
And I still love the rabbit.
Me too. It's my fave. Okay, Molly, what am I looking at?
This is a Cuisinart stopper. So if you're drinking a glass or 2 of champagne, want to save it, it's supposed to keep it bubbly and fizzy, a champagne stopper.
Most of the time when you plug it with a wine stopper, it will go flat.
Yeah, and so this is supposed to be for champagne. I opened this bottle 24 hours ago. Let's see if it's still bubbly.
Oh, jeez! Oh my gosh, it was champagne right in my eye! Not again!
So that appears to still be carbonated.
I would say this is definitely carbonated.
Oh my gosh.
Holy-
Yeah, look at all that.
Let me test it. That's bubbly.
You just shove it in here and
my-
then shove this in
Oh my gosh.
and it keeps it bubbly.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, well that's a win.
That's a champagne stopper. Oh no!
I think that you're familiar with these, but I don't know if you've actually worked one before.
I have never worked one of these before, but I am very intimately familiar with these. Safety first. You know what? I'm putting on my glasses. My
Like,
poor
what
eyes, they have just had enough. Okay, we're on the 4th generation. What's the difference between the 3rd and the 4th?
Well, they probably just make improvements, right?
Open
the handle,
the
to loosen
handle.
the ceiling ring.
Okay, and then close the handle until it clicks.
3. You need to-
Rotate the neck counterclockwise to make the cork smaller. I feel like this is more complicated than building a firearm.
What was that?
This is made out of plastic, so I don't have very many high hopes. Okay, Molly, give it a go.
What do I
mean,
shoot?
I think it might melt. We have a leak. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Leak! Leak! Leak!
Wait, it still works though.
It does?
Look.
Okay, shoot it in my mouth. Literally got everywhere but my mouth. Your aim is terrible. You're lucky I put on those gloves. I'd be blind now. The 4th generation, we're waiting for the next one. When's the 5th one come out? We're ready for an upgrade. Ready? So I'm gonna aim. I got it. I got it. This is awful. Just open a bottle and Let's have some fun. Well, you know what is great? We're testing these gadgets so other people don't have to.
This one's just not for us.
Molly, it's foggy. We'll be back.
Our next item are kind of like mixes for champagne to kind of flavor it up a little bit. Like we have a mango Bellini bubbly topper, mandarin
Bellini.
mimosa, peach Bellini.
I've never tried any of these.
You just add like a little splash to give it a little extra flavor.
Let's open it up. Molly, I've got a
Okay.
knife for you to use to open it. Here, try that. This is not working.
Oh my gosh, I want to try peach Bellini. What do you want to try?
I think that I want to do strawberry mimosa.
Okay. What should you put in? Just a little sploosh?
I wouldn't put in a lot.
Oh.
I feel like we're in chemistry class. Add a little bit of this.
Oh. Okay.
Happy birthday.
It just seems like we added sugar.
No.
Oh, that one is terrible to me.
No. Pass.
Ooh.
Goodbye. I'm so excited for this next gadget because I've seen this all over Instagram.
Oh my gosh.
The ladies of lifestyle and home decor have been making a ton of these. It's basically an ice
A
bucket.
trendy way to chill champagne and wine. So we put eucalyptus in, filled it with water, put the cap on, chilled it for 24 hours, and now it's time to take it out. Place the ice mold upside down in the base, waiting 5 to 10 minutes. Okay,
Right.
so then we need to pour water in here.
This is the goal, everybody.
Oh, you hear it
This is-
crackling.
Oh, sounds like a fun dinner party in the making. An icebreaker. I'll gently move this off to the side, and while we're waiting for this, then we'll try 2 little purse baggies that Molly found. Get the bag. Molly, that's a slang term now.
Like a cash bag?
No, it means get the bag. It means get paid.
You're gaslighting me now. I
No.
said it and you told me no.
Right? No, wait, what?
I said, yeah, get the money. Like a
Is
money
that what
bag.
it means?
Yeah. So one is
Okay.
like an insulated one that's more of like a fashion purse like type
I
thing.
wouldn't call that fashion. It's just a cooler bag.
Wow.
Well, it is
Okay.
smaller and it doesn't have a spout.
And then this one, apparently you can put ice in. It's an ice bag.
It's just a plastic
It's
bag.
just a plastic bag.
This is called the ice bag, and it's just a plastic bag that you put ice in.
I'm rolling up to my festival. And I brought the party.
Stop.
The best part is,
No.
these to keep them in place are just tied.
Don't say. So you guys, if you're gonna do a cooler bag, please do this one. This one, at least isn't that.
I don't know if I prefer that. Does it even all fit in there? Let's
What do
see.
you mean it's bigger than this one?
Look, so if you're going somewhere,
yeah, look at all that room to spare.
you have to tilt it this side
You could
to
put
close.
cups in there. I mean, Molly,
You could put straws.
what do you think now, Molly?
Okay, this is grown on me.
That one
This-
is
yeah.
better than this one. This is awful. Ice bag.
It's just a fancy Ralph's bag. It's just...
Okay, now you're supposed to gently slide that thing off and it will expose the beautiful design we've created. Go ahead.
Go ahead. You have to...
Only that'll probably
Oh. Excuse me, haters.
It's beautiful. I don't like the base very much, but
Yeah.
I love you know what? I love it.
The thing is, it says place the base into the stainless steel bucket, but this is plastic, so I think there must be some versions that have like a pretty stainless steel around here, but I'm a fan. This is so cute. And besides the cost of the product, all it is water and a couple pieces of eucalyptus, so it's really affordable.
I like when art is combined with food.
Yeah.
And that's what this reminds me of.
When-
Big fan. Now for our last gadget, we're gonna check those cups. Molly, it's been like 40 minutes.
Let's see if they're still cool. They said it would keep it cool for hours, and there's a lot of condensation on there. Cheers.
Yep. Boop. Mine's still cold.
That's still really cold, and it's been almost an hour.
Okay, these little tumblers work. The only thing I don't
a
like
win.
is the amount of condensation.
There's a lot of condensation
I mean,
going on.
look at the.
This was dry.
Honestly, and on a hot day, condensation, you just go like this, do a little dabby dab.
I think it's a win.
Woo. I also like pool safe. Oh, Molly, even though this is our last gadget, we're gonna let Mo have one more shot of sabering. Time to saber, time to saber, time to sabre, time to sabre.
El Sabre. Okay, did
Yeah.
you hit it like down here or up here?
I don't know. Here's the thing, our Williams-Sonoma one,
Yeah.
it's more gentle. This one, I need you to hit this with power. And I need follow through and really boom, and more, yes, baby!
New favorite saber.
Molly, I knight you. I have now knighted you. A knight of the champagne gang. Welcome to the club. Arg. All right, that does it for our champagne gadgets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We tried a bunch of champagne gadgets so that you guys don't have to. My favorite today, watching you, Saber. I love it, and it was so much fun. And I love that rabbit.
I know, she's wonderful.
If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Or there. Da, 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 da. And if Molly's in charge of producing them, they will be a party. They will be a party. They will be a party. They'll be a party. Yeah. Oh!